Welcome back to the Dine Company YouTube channel. My name is Micah, and today we're going to be showing you how to clean your Manitowoc Indigo series ice machine. The first step to cleaning your Indigo ice machine is to loosen the two captive screws on the front panel. There's one here and there's one here, and for this task you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. After you loosen these screws, the front panel should swing right open. The next step to cleaning your Indigo ice machine is to simply push the cleaning button on the upper right of the control panel. After you press the cleaning button, you'll see a prompt on the control panel, and you'll want to follow these prompts, and it'll eventually tell you when to add the chemical. Okay, now we can see our prompt to add the cleaning chemical, and we also see this prompt, auto ice on. If we want the ice machine to go back into ice making mode upon finishing the cleaning cycle, we can simply check this box. What type of chemical do we want to use to clean our ice machine? Manitowoc offers two different cleaning chemicals to clean their ice machines. This one is for cubers. This is the one we're going to use for the Indigo series because it is a cube ice machine. If you have a nugget ice machine or a flaker, you will use this product, the Metal Safe Ice Machine Cleaner. Now we're ready to add our ice machine cleaner. Now here you can see the water curtain, and we're going to take the cleaner and pour it behind the curtain about 2 ounces. Okay, I've removed the water curtain so that we may understand what is going on during the ice machine cleaning process. Remember that we added ice machine cleaner behind the water curtain. So what happens is the ice machine cleaner filters down here into the water trough. The water pump behind there picks it up, moves it up, and then the water and the ice machine cleaner solution fall down over the evaporator, so that any microorganisms that have collected here in the evaporator will get clean. The Indigo ice machine will run its wash cycle, and then it'll run 3 rinse cycles. This process takes about 30 minutes. Alright, once the cleaning cycle is done, if you did not check the box that we showed you earlier to tell the machine to return to ice making mode, you'll see this, and all you have to do is turn the machine back on, and it will return to ice making mode. So now we've seen how to run the automatic cleaning cycle, and that cycle cleans the water system. If you want to clean the other components, there is just some disassembly required. And the first step to disassembly is removing the water curtain, which I'll do now. There's 2 tabs up here. Just release them one at a time to remove your water curtain. Next, we'll remove the water trough. To remove the water trough, we're going to utilize these 2 tabs at the bottom. There's one on each end. And to do this, it's easier to cross your hands like this and use your thumbs and pull in. Then down. Then up. Next, we will remove the water pump. Grasp it here, pull down, there's your water pump. Then we can disconnect it with this connector here. Next, we'll remove the water level probe. To do that, simply grab here, pull down, disconnect the connector. Now we'll disconnect the ice thickness probe right here. Simply depress next to these tabs, and you'll leave this one hanging. Finally, we will remove the distribution tube. To do that, you'll loosen these 4 captive screws, then take the cover off, and then remove the tube. Now that the main components are removed, we can go ahead and clean any surfaces inside the ice machine using a dilution of Manitowoc Ice Machine Cleaner and water and a soft cloth. You simply apply the cleaner on the outside surfaces, including the ice thickness probe, which we left hanging, and then clean the machine. So we've seen how to do the automatic cleaning cycle for the water system, and now we're going to go over how to clean the components of the ice machine. You'll want to do this at least every 6 months, but really as needed in order to keep your components clean and sanitary. So the first thing I'm going to do is to fill my sink with water and some cleaning solution. And I like to use a little warm water and just a couple ounces of the solution. And now for a brief demonstration on how to clean the components of the ice machine. Our sink is filled with some water and some ice machine cleaner solution, and all we need to do is use a soft Scotch pad and then using the water and the solution clean our components. Now, a word of caution when it comes to cleaning the water level probe and the water pump, you want to be sure not to get the electrical components wet. So while I may submerge this part, I'm going to be careful not to submerge the electrical components. Same thing on the water pump. I really only want to submerge my water pump so far, about that much, while taking care not to get the motor wet. Now that we've cleaned all our ice machine components, we can reassemble our ice machine, and to do that, we simply follow the steps of the disassembly procedure in reverse order. You can find a complete lineup of Manitowoc ice machines in our showroom at 3110 Preston Highway in Louisville, Kentucky. For more information, you can call and talk to a customer care associate. Also, you can shop online at dinecompany.com.